Hello everyone, welcome for a new ICP4 for big data programming, which is about Hadoop dependent query based on based NoSQL database Hy-Vee. We very quick about this ICP Hy-Vee as data warning system and structured data on Hadoop file system. So what we did, we create tables and perform queries for use cases based on virtual data, Olympics data, and based on movies data sets as well. For the pointers as well, we listed all the movies that generate. So I'm gonna go through very quick what kind of commands that we run. So what I did, I run the commands we used in here, but as you can see, I wrote the commands in a file in a notepad file, so it's gonna be more clear for explanation. So as you can see, first of all, we create a table. We create Hy-Vee tables and perform queries for use case based on virtual data. Then start Hy-Vee from commands shell, and then after that, we create a table and then load virtual data into the created table based on the distributor, and then we show the tables. And this is the command for to just given like first line for the virtual data. And after that, to delete first, this is the command to this is the command to skip first line, and for this one, for this command is what is it's showing the real life what is the total amount of bitrol and volume sold by every distributor. And for the second one here, it's for which are the top 10 distributors IDs for selling bitrol, and also display the amount of bitrol sold in volume them individually. And for number 3, the command, as you can see, this command is for, we run it, so it's help us to find the real life of 10 distributor name who sold bitrol in the last amount. Moving to loading the data. So to load the data, we use this command, as you can see here. So this is what we did for showing the group of distributor that I explained is the same. It's the same like I mentioned in here in 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving to Olympic use case for based on Olympic. So we create the same thing. We create a table called Olympic, and for that. We create table perform queries use case based. So this is the command we use for creating the tables. And for this one, the first command, which is showing helping using the data set list the total number of models won by our the medals or like the medals won by each country swimming. And it showed all the top the group of those people. And for number 2 is displaying real life number of medals India won year wise, or which country won India won wise. And for 3, it's for find the total number of medals each country won, display the name along with total medals. And for 4, it's finding the real life number of gold medals each country won. And for 5, for this command is for which country got medals for shooting year-wise classification. For all these outputs are the attached in the ICP report. Clearly attached. I can pull them from here, but they are like a little bit confusing in here because I used a lot of commands in this window. So that's why I pulled those are the commands for this is the output for the pointers task, which is showing the movies. I'm gonna talk about it later. But anyways, I just pulled all the commands here to be clear for explanation. And moving to creating the movies, rating movies. So this is the how to create the tables movies, and then load the data from there, and then load the data local imba, and then let it like the table movies, and then create the table rating after that. So we run a couple commands for that related to that. So we first create three tables called movies and rating and users, as you can see here, and then load the data into tables. After that, we use this command to for movies tables list all movies generated of movies is action and drama, and for this one is um, for ratings tables list movies IDs of all movies with rating equal to 5. And for this command is for to find the top 11 average rated action movies with the screening order of rating. That's all the commands we use. And for the bonus one, we use this command to list all movies with generate where the movies generate an action drama and average movies rating is in between 4.4 and 4.4, 4.9, as you can see here. And only the male users rate the movie. That's all about ICPs. For the output, please visit my report on GitHub for this repository. Thank you so much for watching.